Hi there, and welcome to a tutorial on how to use the Premium Ichimoku from Lizard Indicators with the NinjaTrader Market Analyzer. For additional information on the Ichimoku, the various plots, and how to use it, check out the links in the video notes below here. We have some more in-depth information on how to use the Ichimoku there. For this video, we'll just look at the market analyzer. So we'll go in here and first have a look at the indicator settings. So here we have the default Kumo, Kijun Sen, and Tenkan Kijun cross as a definition for the trend. And then we're displaying all the indicator plots. We're using calculate on bar close. And I'm mentioning that because that is important to the market analyzer, for the market analyzer to have these same settings, of course, on your chart as you do in the market analyzer output. So next we go in here and choose the market analyzer. We add a couple of instruments here. We'll just go with the Iminus for this example. And then we can go in here and start configure the columns. To give us a little bit space here, we'll just go with the last price, and then the market analyzer columns for our premium indicators are located in the NinjaTrader folder. And the Ichimoku has a number of columns available. As I mentioned, we're using the composite trend here with a number of, or a combination of some of these plots here. So the composite trend is located here. We add that. And then we are here on a 5-minute chart. So we want to have that in the market analyzer as well. We see the Kumo, the Kijun Sen, and the Tenkan cross as requirements for the trend. And then you also want to make sure that you have enough look back period or data for the market analyzer to calculate the plots. So we add a little bit here. And then we want to set it to calculate on bar close as we have on our chart. And then when you've done that, you can go into the cell conditions here and add the requirements. We'll start here with a uptrend. So we have a greenish for that uptrend. The data series for that equals 1. Then we can create a plot for the neutral trend, have a gray color for that. Data series for that is 0. And then finally for a downtrend, we can go with the red color. Downtrend equals -1. And you can also display the signals. We have here a double arrow signal. That is what's known as a key signal. A key signal is the first signal after a trend change. So we see here double arrow green after a red trend or a downtrend. And then we have a single arrow. That is the secondary signals. So if you choose the key signals, you will only get the double arrow signals. And if you go with trade signals, you will see all trade signals that the Ichimoku dispatches. So we'll add that here. Again, configure the data series options. You see here the trend definition is the same. Add a little bit of the look back period here, calculate on bar close, and then go into the sell conditions. Choose a color for the long signals. Equals 1. And then the same for a short scenario. Go with the salmon color for that. Equals -1. And hit OK. And then let's see what we get as plots here. Looks to be neutral trends across the board here. Let's see if that is correct. Yeah, we just moved into a neutral scenario here in the YM as well as the ES. So all of this appears to be plotting correctly in our market analyzer. We can wait for the new bar here to confirm this reading. We have another neutral bar closing here, as well as here and here. And so that is a quick intro on how to set up the market analyzer with the Premium Ichimoku. If you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out via the contact form over at listradindicators.com. Otherwise, drop me a line at info@listradindicators.com. Always happy to hear from you. In the meantime, take care and bye-bye.